Okay, Charlie, we're going to go ahead and work on your left hand. Today we are working on The Storm, which is L'Orage by Burgmüller. I'm probably butchering the name. I think it's German. Anyone who has a better pronunciation, let me know.
Friedrich Burgmüller.
Yeah, Burgmüller, but it's probably not pronounced that way because this is a German name, I believe. Friedrich Burgmüller. And we're going to work on just the left hand first, and then we're going to put both hands together. I think working on the left hand is important because it supports the right hand. And if your left hand can play effortlessly and easily, you don't even have to worry about your left hand, and you can just focus on your right hand, and then you can play expressively. So let's go ahead and start with your left hand. We're going to play the whole piece with your left hand.
Okay.
Were you falling asleep? Are you sure you're not getting sleepy?
I'm not sleepy.
All right. Do you want to start?
In this one, this part.
Yep, just the left hand by itself. Let's go. Wait, you have to find out where you're going to start from. Say it correctly, Charlie. Okay, now this time we actually are going to start from the beginning. You do look like you're getting sleepy, Charlie. We can stop if you like. If you're too sleepy to go on. Are you too sleepy to continue?
Start from here. Is that what you mean?
Yes, from the very beginning of the piece. Now actually, let's go ahead and just do both hands. Because I don't want to take too much of your time. I think you're ready to go to bed. But a slow speed. Both of them on F. Fortissimo, remember. That starts from the beginning, yep. Now second inversion. Now just D. Good job, Charlie.